Next, purpose. If the why question asks purpose, we write the purpose using this structure. Structure written in so that plus purpose statement, or so that plus subject plus can could plus V1. Let's see the example. Why does the government test PCR? The government test PCR so that it could detect corona patient. This so that it could detect corona patient is the purpose statement. We can write the purpose in this way, or we can write purpose using this structure. Next way of writing purpose is written in to or in order to plus V1 plus other words. Example, why do the two boys come to the hospital? The two boys come to the hospital in order to test PCR, or the two boys come to the hospital to test PCR. Using in order to or using to, we write the purpose statement. Another ways of writing purpose is written in for plus VING verb, that is V4, plus object or adverbs, or for plus noun or pronoun. Let's see the example. Why do you stay at home? Why do you stay at home? I stay at home for preventing me from coronavirus. So after for, we have used for, after for verb ing, and then we have written other things, other words for the answer of why question. The why question which asks for purpose. Another WH question is which. The answer of which question can be definite person or things. The answer of which question can be definite person or things. You have to find out the definite person or things inside the passage while writing the which question. Which disease is known as pandemic at present? COVID-19 is known as pandemic at present. COVID is a specific, definite disease, that is pandemic at present. Now next is answer of whom question can be person in object. Answer of whom question can be person in object. Whom did the corona kill in the hospital? The corona killed an old man in the hospital. An old man is the answer of whom question, and it is written in the place of object. The corona subject, kill verb, and an old man is object. In place of object, we have written the answer of whom questions. The next is the answer of whose question can be person in possessive case. Her, his, her is. This is how we write the answer in possessive case. Whose mother tongue is Hindi? Indians mother tongue is Hindi. There is person, we have written the person person in positive case. So answer of whose question is person in positive case. And next, the answer of how question can be manner. You can use this structure subject, verb, object plus adverb of manner. How is coronavirus spreading in the world? The coronavirus is spreading in the world rapidly. Rapidly is the manner. So using this structure subject, verb, object plus adverb of manner. We write adverb of manner for how questions. Another way of writing the answer of how question is subject, verb, object plus by plus ing verb. Verb in ing form. See the example. How can we remain safe from coronavirus? We can remain safe from coronavirus by following safety precaution methods. After this is, we can remain safe from coronavirus. This is the statement. After statement, by, after by ing verb, following, and we write other words by following safety precaution methods. In this way, using this structure, we write the answer of how questions. The how question start with how old. If it is start with how old, you have to find out about the age of something, somebody. If how question start with how many, you have to find out the number of somebody, something. If how question start with how much, you have to write about amount of some things. If how question start with how far, you have to write down the distance. You have to find out the distance in the passage. If how question start with how long, you have to find out the length of something, or you have to find out length of time. If how question start with how often, you have to write the answer using the word once or twice or regularly or quite often. In this way, using these words, you have to write down the answer of the how question start with how often. In this way, we write the answer of short answer questions in comprehensive passage. Practice this, learn these tricks, tips, time and again, and sure about writing the answer of different WH questions, and be skillful in writing very short answer question in comprehensive passage. The most important thing is practice. If you practice a lot, it becomes easy. If you do not practice, it will become difficult. So only this much for today. Rest in the next class. Thank you.